Hey YouTube, what's up? It's me, the Ice Man. Today I'm making unboxing of Michael Jackson's This Is It. This is the music album. It's not the movie. I think I did an unboxing already of the movie. I cannot remember. I bought this album when it first came out. I just never did the unboxing. So I got this a while ago. But since I never did it, I will do it now. It's kinda late, but inside we have a picture of This Is It. And here we have the first disc, which is the music disc. Now, second page, we just got a picture of Michael Jackson. Here we got some more This Is It pictures. I will show them all here, so. Stage. That's from Beat It, the scene. By the way, this is a really good Michael Jackson album. It got all the songs that are probably all of his best songs. And it got two unreleased songs, which are This Is It, which he recorded for the concert, but was never actually released until his passing. This book has, I think it's 36 pages of pictures. I am not even sure, 56, something like that. Oh my god, it said it in the wrapping when I got it. We got that, and that looks like if it's from Thriller, maybe. Not sure. And here in the back, we have the scene that's from Beat It, and second, we got the second disc, which has a few demos from unreleased songs, or a few demos from songs that he released, but just demos. The second disc, I think, has only 4 songs. The second disc, yeah, it got 4 songs, and it has the poem from Michael Jackson. This album was produced by Michael Jackson. He was planning on releasing an album named This Is It. And if you can notice here, there's pictures of all over him of the concert. Alright guys, if you could subscribe, comment, and rate, I will be making some more videos soon. Alright guys, bye.